Did you know that the average person spends over 200 hours a year on household chores? That's almost 9 full days. Think of all the things you could do with that extra time. We all have cleaning, organizing, and maintenance tasks around the house that take up our precious time. Now, I want you to take a moment and look around your home. Do you see those familiar everyday items? The ones you use without a second thought? Have you ever stopped to consider they might have hidden potential, a secret purpose waiting to be unlocked? Just like our belongings, even the most ordinary objects can spark joy in unexpected ways, especially when we discover how to use them more effectively. It brings a sense of peace and satisfaction when we can simplify our lives. Let's be honest, maintaining a tidy and organized home can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. We struggle to keep clutter at bay, search for lost items, and face stubborn stains or messes that leave us feeling defeated. But what if I told you that many of these challenges have simple yet ingenious solutions? It's not about adding more tools to your arsenal, but about maximizing the potential of what you already have. By embracing a little creativity and ingenuity, we can transform these everyday frustrations into opportunities for joy and efficiency. Let's start with a common culprit: tangled cords. Don't you just hate it when they get all knotted up? Try using bread clips to keep them organized and easily accessible. Simply label each cord, loop it neatly, and clip it in place. Next time you're battling stubborn stains, reach for that trusty bottle of white vinegar in your pantry. Did you know it's a natural cleaning powerhouse? From removing hard water stains to deodorizing surfaces, its uses are endless. And for those hard-to-reach spaces, don't underestimate the power of a simple sock. Slip it over your hand, spritz it with your favorite cleaning solution, and watch as it effortlessly glides over blinds, baseboards, and even delicate light fixtures. Now for the hack that will truly transform your cleaning routine, using a squeegee to remove pet hair from your carpets and upholstery. It sounds unusual, doesn't it? Before you begin, picture your furniture covered in a thick layer of fur. It's frustrating, isn't it? Now imagine gliding a squeegee across the surface, watching in amazement as the hair effortlessly clumps together, leaving your furniture looking and feeling refreshingly clean. This simple tool, often relegated to bathroom duty, becomes a powerful ally in maintaining a hair-free home. The satisfaction you'll feel witnessing this transformation firsthand is truly remarkable. Today we've uncovered the hidden potential of everyday objects, transforming them from ordinary tools into ingenious problem solvers. Remember the bread clips for those pesky cords, the versatility of white vinegar, and the surprising effectiveness of a sock in tackling dust and dirt. And let's not forget the game changer, the humble squeegee, proving that even the most unexpected items can bring joy and efficiency to our cleaning routines. By embracing these simple yet effective hacks, we can reclaim our time and energy, focusing on the things that truly spark joy in our lives. I believe that a tidy and organized home is a foundation for a joyful and fulfilling life. But the journey doesn't end there. I encourage you to explore your own homes, to look at everyday objects with fresh eyes. What hidden potential might they hold? Share your favorite hack in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create homes that spark joy and ignite our creativity. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and inspiration on tidying, organizing, and finding joy in the everyday. Remember, true joy comes not from having more but from appreciating and maximizing what we already have. By embracing simple yet effective solutions, we can create a home that is both functional and uplifting. A space where every object has a purpose and brings us a sense of peace. So go forth and tidy, organize, and create a home that sparks joy in every corner. And always remember, the journey to a joyful home begins with a single step and a little bit of ingenuity. Until next time, may your homes be filled with peace, order, and of course joy.